So guys, this is how to fix YouTube crashing problem. And also this video I'm going to show you how to also fix YouTube loading problem. So if you're facing this crashing and loading problem, this is how to fix it. So first of all, what you have to do is to scroll down and try to find your settings app. When you find it, just tap on it. After tapping on it, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. So let's tap on it. After tapping on it, what you have to do is to tap on see your apps. So as you can see, the apps have been listed alphabetical form. So what I have to do is to search for YouTube. So when you find YouTube, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, tap on notifications. Make sure the notification is turned on and make sure every notification below is on. After that, go to mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction. Make sure the background data is still good on like this. Then you go back and you tap on permission. Make sure every permission is allowed, which is really necessary. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. Then you clear the cache. Then you tap on storage. Then you tap on OK. After that, what you have to do is to tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. After doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to go to your Play Store app. So just scroll in your menu and you're going to find Play Store. Then you tap on it. So when you tap on it, try to search for YouTube. So after searching for YouTube, this is how it's going to be. Then you tap on it. Then make sure you tap on the update section over here that is saying. So as you can see, mine is open. So when yours is open like this, just leave it. Don't tap on it. But if it's update, then tap on it to get the latest update of the app. So after updating, you're going to see it changed from update to menu to open. So after that, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. Then you tap on restart. After that, tap on OK, and everything is going to fix successfully after updating. See you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching this video.